Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to basically set up boost asio or pretty much any other boost component library. So let's get started. Alright, so let's make a new project, C++. You could use whichever, C++ standard, I don't care. Alright, and let's see what we're going to do. So first of all, you're going to of course need to make this into a, Git repo. So you're going to say git init, as you can see, initialize empty Git repository. Then you're going to add a vcpkg, which is basically a package repository thing, So git submodule add, and you're going to look for vcpkg GitHub real quick. And you're just going to copy that link right there. You're going to add it here, paste it, and there you go. You have just added that vcpkg submodule. And you're just going to wait a little bit, and it would basically have a new file or a new folder inside of your repo, which is perfect. Lovely. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to basically run a script to bootstrap vcpkg that you're going to find there. So you're going to say /vcpkg/ bootstrap vcpkg.bat. If you're on Linux, then you're gonna use the sh or I don't know, some other kind of script right here. There's even a shell.nix if you're on Nix OS. Anyways, so after that's done, you're gonna have a new executable here in this repo, which is vcpkg.exe, which you could actually use. So if you say /vcpkg/vcpkg.exe, so basically the path of the folder and then the executable, and then we run this. As you can see, we have a few things we could do here, which is great. So what we want to do is we want to create a new manifest, so we're gonna say new, and of course, as you can see, we're gonna need to give it the name of our repo. I'm just gonna call it tutorial. Don't care. Wait, produce includes oh yeah, sorry, application -- application. Let's go tutorial, and well, maybe just that. Okay, fine. New -- application. Great. Now we're gonna have a new file here, vcpkg.json, which we could fill with all sorts of libraries that we want. So right now, if you look for vcpkg boost asio, so we're gonna go to the first one, and as you can see, you're gonna have all these things right here. So you're just gonna copy this name, right? Or you could just type it yourself, and then you're just gonna say vcpkg add port, and you're gonna paste that name there. And as you can see, this file would get changed, and here you go. Perfect. Next up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for a CMake preset. CMake preset. So vcpkg CMake preset. Real quick. Just go to the first link for the documentation, pretty much. Nothing fancy there. And you're just gonna take one of these, I believe, copy. And you're gonna call it CMake presets.json. Let's actually create that file first. Let's go. New file CMake presets.json, add to GitHub if you want to. Actually, you should, right? And there we go. Now we're just gonna change this this env vcpkg root to our root of the vcpkg, which is basically the current directory, /vcpkg, and that should do the trick. Next up, if you're on C-line or if you're in some other IDE, you gotta find out how you could basically activate that configure preset. So for me in C-line, what I gotta do is go to CMake, and pretty much it should have it here somehow. So if it doesn't work for you, then I guess you just gotta like restart your IDE. In my case, let's try that. And let's see if that works. There you go. Right now, as you can see in the C line, I actually get this. So I could enable it. As you can see, there is a preset here. Okay, exclude folders. Yes. And let's see what's gonna happen here. So I haven't done this for a while. That's why I have a few mistakes here and there. But I show you, it's a very good opportunity to show you how to fix those mistakes when you get them. Well, first thing I could actually see is that we're building for CMake files, which is not great, but let's just see where this goes. Anyways, let's not fix something that isn't broken. That's basically my new motto, if you notice. Pretty much been so burnt out of life lately. But yeah. Alright. So as you can see, it just goes ahead, it installs Boost for you, and you're all good to go. It's gonna take a while actually, so I guess I'm just gonna pause this. Okay, so it's pretty much finished right now. Let's see what happened here. Okay, so you're gonna find at the end of the configuration, you're gonna find some lines right here that you're gonna go ahead and copy to your CMake list real quick, just like that. And so basically find package Boost, required components, and here you list all the components of Boost you want to include, like asio and the other ones. Anyways, so target link libraries, here the name of your executable, like target or whichever. In my case, just called entitled. Pretty careless, but yeah, it works. So private, and then what libraries or which libraries to link. So in this case, it's Boost asio. And you just basically refresh your CMake and you should be good to go. Alright, so let's test this out. First of all, let's just see if our hello world even works. And it seems like it's working. So now let's get some example. So here from my next video where I'm gonna actually create some asynchronous IO server, you know. So I'm just gonna copy this for now, and you're gonna find a link down in the description, of course. And we're gonna paste it here, and let's see if that works. And let's try and run this. And you just allow network, and there we go. Right now I have a UDP server. Pretty simple server, but well, there you go. Goodbye everybody.